Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful feminine hairstyle for all occasions. To adapt it to medium length hair, you only have to replace the braid with a ponytail. I have already attached my Glam Time clip-in hair extensions for extra length and volume in my naturally thin hair, and now I'm going to create today's hairstyle simply by twisting my hair. I'm taking the first section of hair from the side, split it in two, and start twisting those two strands away from my face. Each time I twist them, I take some hair that lies under this twist, add it to one of the strands, and twist my hair again. So I basically section some hair, add it to the leftmost strand, and twist my hair. After that, I repeat the steps again. So I twist, I section, I add, and I twist. I section, I add, and I twist. I proceed like this toward the back of my head. I swap my hands when I want to twist my hair near my neck. I find it much more convenient like this. Now I want to use a bobby pin to secure this twist in place. For the time being, it has to wait for the second twist, and I proceed with twisting my hair on the other side. So again, I split my hair into strands, I twist them away from my face, and every time I twist the hair, I section some hair and add it to the rightmost strand. So this is the second twist, and if your hair isn't very long and you cannot create a fishtail braid that I'm going to create in a moment, you can secure both twists together and form a very pretty ponytail. To create a fishtail braid, I work with two sections of hair formed by the twists. I take a thin strand of hair from the outside of each section, bring it over this section of hair and add it to the hair on the other side. Then I do the same thing on the other side. So I take a thin strand of hair, bring it over this section and add it to the hair on the other side. I repeat the steps many times, and I like to use my index finger to section the hair. At first, you want to keep your hair really tight to avoid loosening the side twists, but as you braid, it gets easier. To finish off the braid, I take it to the front, and now I want to be bringing the outermost strands of hair under the section of hair that I take them from. I want to volumize the braid a little bit by pulling its sides in the opposite directions. Now this hairstyle is complete, so this is how it looks like, and I'm also going to show you how it looks like from behind. I thank you very much for watching. Bye bye!